Hi everyone, it's the 18th of December 2011. Been in the house about a week now. It's the front of the house. Carriage, the small drive. And walk through the backyard. It's our little path through the back. Pathway looking at the windows to the basement. Get it open. Squirrel. Okay, there's our shed. Doors down, I'm going to have to sort that somehow. This is our little patch of grass. Need to gather some leaves up. It's the back of the house. Like a nest at the top corner, and you see it taken down. Back there, recycle boxes. Back alleyway. Decking. Steps up. This is this little treehouse thing Julia's interested in. Kitchen window. Neighbour's house. It's just the shed I'm not sure what we're going to do with. Hopefully get the door up somehow. That's our little patch of grass. Looking across to the neighbours. And lots of squirrels around. Now let's go back to the front. It's quite good to have the double fence here for security wise. So it's a week before Christmas. I've only been in the house about 8 days. That's Connaught Avenue North. And it's over to the school playground, to the front of our house.